Namo Buddhaya. Today let's discuss importance of Vesak Day. Dear parents and children, on Vesak we should remember that the great Prince Siddhartha Gautama was born in this world, and at the age of 29, by seeing the drawbacks in life, he gave up the lay life to attain lasting happiness. After experiencing pain for 6 years, finally, by following the Noble Eightfold Path, that great person became a Buddha for the benefit of gods and humans. After preaching his Dhamma for 45 years, he left this world like a extinguished with no more burning. This we call Mahaparinibbana. We should understand that Vesak Day is more important than our birthdays and ever other special occasions in life. Only because of the events that we commemorate on Vesak Day do goods and humans have the opportunity to escape from suffering in this circle of birth and death. Only because of following his teachings do we have the chance to perfect our qualities of human goodness. Only because of his achievements do we learn to be more concerned about the mind than the body. Only because of him we do learn to recognize the beneficial as beneficial and the unbeneficial as unbeneficial. Without him, people don't understand the value of doing merit. They never learn that doing even a small good thing can lead us to be born in a good destination even at the last stage of our life. Only a Buddha can teach us how suffering arises in the life and the exact way to overcome it. This is why celebrating Vesak is so very important. Next video, let's see how to celebrate Vesak Day in a meaningful way. Namo Buddhaya.